Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to make an easy cold brew coffee recipe. So we make this all summer long, so we always have cold brew on hand, and it's one of the easiest recipes ever. So I'm starting off with freshly ground coffee beans, and it doesn't have to be freshly ground, but I do recommend it because I think it gives the best flavor. I do a coarse grind on them, and then I add them to the cold brew French press. So now I'm adding the water, and the water cannot be hot. It's room temperature or cold because it's a cold brew coffee, so I think that much is obvious. So you want to make sure you give the coffee a good stir before you put it in the fridge. I am using a cold brew press, but it's not necessary to make cold brew, but it's definitely more convenient because it comes with two lids. As you can see, one of them is flat and one of them is the actual press lid. Having the flat lid is really ideal for putting it in the fridge overnight, and it won't take up as much space that way. So actually, before we got this cold brew press, we used to just mix the cold brew mixture in a pitcher and then sieve it into another container when we were ready to drink it, but this makes your life so much easier. So if you find one, I highly suggest getting them. You can find them on Amazon. I personally got it from HomeSense, or Home Goods is the US equivalent. It makes it super easy. So the cold brew has been brewing overnight in the fridge. So I leave it a minimum of 12 hours, but 24 hours would be even better. And once it's ready to drink, we just attach the plunger and give it a press. I also really like how you can pour directly from this press, so that's another added bonus of having the press itself. Although we usually store it in another container so that it's not continuing to get stronger or more bitter by having the grounds in there. And there you have it, fresh cold brew that's super easy to make, and you can have it all summer long. Let me know if you try this recipe. I would love to hear from you. And as always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload my next video.